to him.
All through the hood, I keep hearing niggas saying
I'm supposed to die tonight.
niggas done put a hit out and they talking like this shit okay.
I'm down to ride tonight.
Rolling, whip stolen, AK loaded.
I'm down to ride tonight.
Yeah, smoking, straight loking, lock and loaded.
Somebody gon' die
This is
tonight.
not.
No one has to know. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, you should see the things we do, baby. In the middle of the night, in my dreams, I know
Sniper, 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 sniper. Wifey, 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 wifey. That's your wifey, 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 wifey. I think I like her, like her, like her, like her, like her. That's your wifey, 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 wifey. I think I like her, like her, like her, like her.
It is hotter than a mofo right now. Oh, okay. Oh, this cigar feels good. Why is it so hot? I don't know. Maybe I'm too hot. Alright. Stop around here. Oh, where's my notebook? Where's my notebook? I almost found you. But it didn't. Oh, it's on the floor.
He been feeling himself. Mass murder like this can't be good for my health. When I rap like this, do I sound like shit? Well, it don't really matter cause I'm killing this shit. Yeah, I'm killing this shit. Oh yeah, I'm killing this shit. Bobby, how many times you been killing this shit? Find another round, goddamn, nigga shit. Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and he ready for anybody to buck back? Go to catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady. There's nowhere to hide. We call this shit genocide. Hit them with that doo then they die. We gon' leave them crucified. We call this shit genocide. I got bitches, I got hoes, I got rare designer clothes. No, we ain't fucking with that. Yeah, there's a time in the.
I think I'm done here. I'm gonna take this off. How long did this take me? Not too long, maybe like 3 hours or so. It's pretty short. Yeah, 11, 12, 1. No, like 2 hours. Like 2.5 maybe. Oh wait, I forgot I can't take off this wig. I gotta take off the makeup first. Alright, I guess let me set everything up.
Notorious Victoria loves Erastus necessitas.
Yep, you love these buttons. It's gonna be a good one. Nope. Can't go over there. Where you belong. Okay. Come hither, puss puss. Oh, there he is. Oh, you tubby tub. Yes. I got me a kitty, I got me a cat, I got me a kitty and he is so fat. I got me a kitty and he likes the pet. And kisses. My kitty, I love him like that. I got me a kitty, I got me a cat, I got me a kitty and he is so fat. I got me a kitty and he liked the pet. My kitty, I love him like that. He's so spoiled. I got me a kitty. I got me a cat. I got me a kitty and he is so fat. I got me a kitty and he likes the pet. My kitty, I love him like that. No! Oh no! Oh God! Oh! Please! You're pulling down my shirt. Okay. Alright, you pulled them all the way out. Okay. Alright. Nope. 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 Oh. Goodbye. This thing is staining the shit out of my, I shouldn't have done anything to my shoulders because my hair covers it.
Fingerless gloves back and not giving a singular fuck like fuck rap. I sound like a fucking millionaire with